What's up, guys? It's Double Seven Wall Street here. Welcome back to our daily trade recap, or daily trade journal, as I should call it from now on, where we do our market analysis at the end of the video and also just go over what happened today and the trades and the signals that happened with the bot today. So for today, I made about 940. Really good day. Really nice trading inside the channel kind of day. So we started the day at 9:30. We had a bullish market structure, and that pushed up. We had a huge push up, and reasonably so. So got bullish market structure at 9:30. Saw this huge pushed up. As we pushed up a lot, I was waiting for a sell signal because I knew we were getting extended in this area. And then eventually at 10:10, we got a little bit of a sell signal alert at 10:10 a.m. here, and that was the perfect top for that day. And it also kind of aligned with our gamma level for that day. Gamma was at 54.80 to 54.85 ish, give or take, and that hit perfectly. And then we just kind of bam slammed all the way back down. And actually slammed back to the daily MOB over here. So you could have taken a trade out the gate here, back test the 1 minute support here, push up more, and then by 10:10 you have a sell signal, which you could enter around here or even the top, and then we had a huge push down, and then as we get above that MOB, you could take a trade above the MOB here, which I did. We had a nice push up, tested the MOB again, nice push up, as you can see. Well, actually, it touched the MOB and just pushed right back up. So it's both easily 5 to 10 point trades. And then at 102, we had a market structure flipping bearish, which means now we're gonna be bearish for the later part of the day, right? So market structure flipped bearish as we came to at 102, which is somewhere around here in this area. And then we back tested the MOB and we pushed down, and we continue to back test these moving averages and push down. So those are good trades over here when the MOB signal, when the market structure signals came out. And then at 140, we got a buy signal. Where's that trade over here? So 140 buy signal is around here. So indicating that we were going to push. That signal was a little bit iffy. You could have made 5 points there, but you could have came back again. When it came back, you could have gotten in on the buy signal again, and we would have pushed back up and made money. And then at 30, we had a double sell signal. So let's check out 330. Right here, this area. 330 had a double sell signal, which means we kind of want to go bearish, right? And you want to look to short over there. So we shorted some resistance here. And as you can see, we eventually came back down. And that would have been it. Could have shorted again here at the other resistance for another move down. And that would have been a pretty nice move to the day. So that's the trade recap for the day, and hope that helps give you guys an idea of how to trade the alerts, the signals, and just kind of read the market in general. Now that we're done with this analysis, let's go over the plans for Wednesday. So let's see what we think the market is going to do, right? So let me clean out these drawings. Go back to a higher time frame, maybe like a 48 minute. Okay, so we were looking pretty bullish. I wanted to see us tag this today at some point. As you can see, we've been struggling here a little bit. We couldn't really get over this blue line. Well, we got over it, but we came back under. We went over again, and now we're under it. So when we just opened the 6 p.m. market under it again. So if we continue to stay under it, then we are now going to bearish territory. This was a nice double bottom setup that carried us up. Now we could have a double top setup that is going to carry us downwards. So I could potentially see us back test the 52.67s. Let me see what higher time frame looks like. I'm going to clean out this drawing. Okay, 195 is testing the support here. So 3282 area need to hold. If that area doesn't hold, if it gets lost, then 3130 or 5300 need to hold. If 5300 doesn't hold, then we're really screwed. So I would say the next area to watch is 5300s. Yeah, 5300 is our area. If 5300 doesn't hold, then some news or something is going to come out of nowhere, and it's going to be really bearish for the market, and we're going to push down. So 53 to this 5267 is going to be our support range over here. So watch for that in the next 24 hours or 48 hours. So I hope that helps. Good luck and have a great day.